Reviews best motorcycles Suzuki GSX-S1000. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of urban motorcycles, and we have a real gem to showcase, the Suzuki GSX-S1000. This powerful street fighter has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a modern-day interpretation of the classic superbike, offering a blend of raw power and agile handling. It's designed for riders who crave a thrilling and exhilarating riding experience. Under the hood, the GSX-S1000 packs a powerful 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers a punchy performance, perfect for navigating city streets and winding roads. Its aggressive styling and comfortable ergonomics make it a great choice for both daily commuting and weekend rides. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the GSX-S1000 is its powerful engine. It delivers a smooth and linear power delivery, making it easy to control and ride. The bike's handling is sharp and precise, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and balanced chassis. In terms of comfort, the GSX-S1000 offers a relatively comfortable riding position, with upright handlebars and a slightly forward-leaning posture. While it's not as comfortable as a dedicated touring bike, it's still suitable for longer rides. Design and aesthetics. The GSX-S1000's design is aggressive and modern, with a sharp, angular look that is sure to turn heads. Its minimalist styling and exposed components give it a raw and unadorned appeal. Target audience and relevance. The GSX-S1000 is ideal for riders who are looking for a powerful and stylish urban motorcycle. Its aggressive styling and powerful engine make it a great choice for those who want to stand out from the crowd. Conclusion. The Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of power, handling, and style. Its aggressive design and powerful engine make it a perfect choice for riders who want to experience the thrill of a modern street fighter. So, if you're looking for a powerful and stylish urban motorcycle, the GSX-S1000 is definitely worth considering.